Hey guys, I'm Joey. That's a $4 LED strip, and this is Over the Table. Welcome back to Over the Table. Today we've got a very cheap product that can deliver high quality results. It is on eBay for just $4. Now that is very cheap for an LED RGB light strip. And we're gonna test this bad boy out. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for cheap products and let's get started. Alright, so you're gonna get your package here. It's gonna be pretty flimsy and not very protective, but you know, it's LEDs, so I don't think it matters that much. Inside the outside packaging, you get this inner packaging that seems to have the wrong labeling on there, unless, because this is completely different than what I ordered. I ordered the 550 5-meter LED, 300 LEDs, color RGB. So I don't know if they just, and it waterproof. I ordered the waterproof version. I don't understand if the label's wrong or what's going on there. Well, I guess we'll find out in a second. Sure enough, they gave me the wrong product. This is not RGB. It's not 550. I mean, it is 5 meters, but it's not waterproof. It is not at all the product that I ordered. I guess we'll review it anyway since I've got it here. It does take 12 volts of power, like your standard LED strips. Now I was gonna use this AC to DC adapter here and then this control box with the remote because I thought it was gonna be RGB, but now I've got to figure something else out considering it just has these open exposed wires on the ends. It's supposedly white, so whether or not it's the cool white or the more warm light, we will see. I got low hopes for this one. Low hopes. I'm already very disappointed it's not the RGB strip that I did order that had specifications completely different than this. I'm gonna go grab something and makeshift a way to power this. Alright guys, so I went out and I grabbed myself another AC to DC converter, and this one, instead of having the plug, has exposed wires. I'm gonna grab the wire strippers because we need these wires on here to be a little bit more exposed. Again, I'm very disappointed that this product is falsely advertised. They did not deliver what was promised. We're gonna do a simple splice. I know this isn't perfect, but this is just to test the product, so don't get on my back about it. Just simple splicing technique, twist the wires together. Now, yes, you don't want to have exposed wires when you're dealing with electricity, but I'm gonna make sure they're separate, they're further apart, and I'm gonna plug this thing in to this extension cord. Okay, so it is definitely white. It's definitely white. This isn't a warm white. It's not even a cool white. It's just a white. It is bright, I'll give it that. That it is. They are very bright. Pretty high quality stuff going on here. But the problem is that it's not what was ordered. It's simply not the LED strip that was ordered. It's not the same thing at all. I don't know if maybe they just mixed it up in shipment or what happened there, but this is supposed to be an RGB light strip, and it's not. It does come with your 3M adhesive backing. You peel this off and it's sticky on the back. It's probably pretty low quality. I've dealt with the cheaper end ones before. It's warming up just after that little bit of time of being on. So, you know, I don't even know how long this would last. I don't know what's going on with it. It does function properly, but again, it is not the LED strip that was ordered. Alright guys, so this LED strip was a big disappointment. Yes, it's a decent light strip for $4, but it's not the RGB big bright LEDs that I expected. It just did not deliver what it should have delivered. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lesson through my lesson. Have a great day and don't get shy.